Wireless security alarm systems are becoming increasingly popular, where sensors operate over distances of several kilometers. You can link up hundreds of devices using a single hub and manage all of them to your liking directly on your phone. You can even create scenarios to make sure your home is protected 24/7. Let's say there is a water leak while you're on vacation. Your water leak sensor communicates the information to your hub, and it sends a signal to your smart valve right away, preventing any substantial damage to your home. And honestly, that's just one of many examples of what alarm systems can do these days.